Ngong Ping 360 station where the cable car is. And
Over there.
look there, the cable cars. We're gonna be riding it soon. So just tune in and see what's in there. Hello, what's up people? Right now we are here at the ticket booth. We're going to redeem our tickets here.
Look.
At Look. So that we can ride our cable car.
Maybe Klook now is so well known. That's why many people are in the queue.
As you can see, there are a lot of tourists here. See that? See that? Those are online. By the way, that is my wife. Okay? My beautiful wife. Okay. She is in line to get our club ticket for the cable cars. So, look, this place is very, very nice. Ang ganda-ganda talaga ng lugar na ito. Lahat ng mga Pilipino na gustong pupunta dito, talaga mag-i-enjoy. Pero, alam mo na, medyo may kamahalan dito sa Hong Kong. Especially yung mga rides nila, mga pagkain, lugan, medyo may kamahalan. Kaya kung gusto nyo pumunta dito, mag-ipon muna kayo. Okay? Sige, ciao muna. Riding. Actually, this line here is for standard cabin. While this line here is for sorry. This line here is for crystal cabin, while this line here is for standard cabin. So as you can see, there are a lot of people around here availing the standard cabin. Seems to me that
Always saying the difference is the forest.
seems to me that
That's the difference.
okay, this is the difference. This is the crystal cabin cable car where there is a glass over here in the below at your footstep, and then you can see the view below it. So that is crystal cabin. It is more expensive than standard cabin because you have to add $55 for your standard cabin to avail of the crystal cabin. Student. Okay, we're going now at the cable cars. Feel a bit excited, to ride.
We decided to eat first before strolling around Lantau Island.
Osaka beef udon.
And
Do you see that later? And
mine is the chicken,
teriyaki noodle.
something, the chicken wings, something.
Yeah. So
Again, it's video.
ooh, I thought it was picture. China is by far the best, among the best of preserving cultural heritage. Look at this. Look at this. The place. Walk with Buddha. Look at the cows. See? Woo! Sige, gunit lang. Hapo-hapa ba? Hapo-hapa.
Lalakad si Chloe. Exercise. Oh no!
Tapos ng heavy lift. Ito,
Nagbabawas.
heavy hiking naman.
Oh my God.
moments later.